guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this makeup look with the Nude by Nature collection. I'm going to be starting off with this concealer. It says it's an anti-crease concealer. Just going to be putting it on some spots that I have on my face. I do like to put concealer kind of like around my nose because my nose is usually quite red because I constantly have allergies in the summer. I'm really liking this concealer texture. It's like really sheer, and I don't think it's gonna flake at all. And it's super sheer, so you can still see a little bit of it, but I mean, we all have imperfections, so that's okay. Next, I don't normally wear foundation, but they have this Radiant Loose Powder Foundation that I'm really curious to try. It is in the W4 Soft Sand color. Hopefully it matches. I'm gonna take their powder brush and take this brush and try to put it on and see how it goes. So it's clearly too much on my brush already. I actually really like it. You can tell quite immediately that my skin is a lot smoother, and it does make me look a lot more radiant. So one thing about my face is like I do have like darker spots and lighter spots on my face, so having like a sheer foundation like this that's powder actually works, I think. So this is what it looks like with foundation on. You can see that everything's just really even and clean now. I've never had like I never used a powder foundation, so I think that I really like it. What do you think? It just covers, it smooths out my face so nicely. So next they have this Cashmere Pressed Blush. Cashmere Pressed Blush is the next thing I'm gonna use. It is their number 3 Desert Rose. It's so beautiful. I don't wear blush a lot, but when I do, I guess I like to choose the more bronzy versions of them. So beautiful. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit with my blush brush and put it on here. So it's not that heavy, so I can actually layer it on a little bit more. Just to give me some color. I think I put a little bit too much blush on, so I'm gonna use that powder brush just to clean up the blush from the bottom of my face a little bit, just so that it stays on the top of my cheeks instead of coming down too far. All right, so after the blush, I'm going to be using their highlight stick in Champagne. It's actually quite pretty. I took a little peek at it before when I was getting ready. So this is the color where it says it's like the highlight stick, number 1 in Champagne. It's a beautiful color. So I'm just gonna put it right here and see. It's so natural that it's obvious, like, so it matches my skin tone so nicely. So it just gives me this really nice natural highlight. Because you guys all know that I love my glow. They also have this sheer illuminator that I think I'm going to use. So I think this is just built onto that highlight stick. It comes out in this rosy color. This is transparent highlighter. This is kind of the color that comes out, and you can see it's a little bit pinky. So yeah, it just like really builds on to that stick highlighter from before. Because it's more pinky, it really brings together the highlighter stick and the blush. You know what? I think that you could actually use this as like an all-around face highlighter, but I chose to just put it on the highlighting parts of my face. All right, next I'm gonna do my brows with this double-ended pencil. It has a little spoolie. I've never done my eyebrows with a pencil like this before. You have to be light with this one. It's a very soft pencil. So this one is in a medium brown. So I like this color. It's a little bit lighter than the brow pencil that I use normally, but I think it works. It's great for summer. Sorry guys, I need to use the mirror. So because the pencil's so soft, it's really easy to blend. I really like this eyebrow pencil. It's called the Defining Eyebrow Pencil. The writing is so small I don't think you can see it, but this is what the actual pencil looks like. Okay, so next I am going to try their Allure Defining Mascara in black. So they have a very cool wand. It looks like it is a silicone wand that has a little bit of like a wave to it. So it's like each of these things are small enough. Like the little spoolie is so thin that it's catching all my eyelashes, which I really like. I think I really like this mascara. The wand has like these little spikes that are so thin that it really grabs all my little lashes. My lashes aren't very long, but you can see that it definitely defines my eyes a little bit. I'm gonna also try their contour eye pencil. It has like the smudgy on one end and then the pencil on the other end. You can see now it's a little bit more defined. All right, so this is almost the look. I wanted to really try a darker lip. So this is their Moisture Shine lipstick in Rosewood. And this is the color. Really like that lipstick. It's like super sticky, as you could see, but that means that it's super moisturizing, which is so important for my lips. Like my lips crack like that. I really like this lip. I think I'm gonna wear it more often. I'm pretty happy with it. What do you think? All right guys, this is it. This is my makeup look. I really hope that you like it. I am a big fan of this. So it's really soft, but you can see that there's still a highlight on my face, and this red lip is really nice. Like I don't normally find like a bolder lip that actually makes my teeth look whiter and really matches the rest of my skin tone. So yay, Nude by Nature, loving your color palette. I also wanted to ask you guys what you thought about beauty videos. I have been wanting to make more of them because when I am on the hunt for beauty tips and makeup tips, I find that a lot of the videos are a little bit too out there for me. So I wanted to do more beauty videos that are more accessible and something that I would actually wear. So let me know if that's something you want to learn more about and see more on my channel. Leave me some comments, or you can like the video and you can subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.